Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you and your family are doing well today in God's name. Today I am going to show you how to succeed in Forex trading. If you are still struggling in Forex trading, maybe it has been a year or 2 years now since you have started trading Forex markets as a career, and whenever you look on your trading history, you always see a series of small profits and sadly huge losses. If you're that guy that always get those results of small profits and huge losses, then this video is a must as it has been made specifically for you to watch. And believe me on this, I'm sure that if you watch this video up to the end, it will take your trading career up to the next level. Before we proceed with the video, please be aware that this video has been sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central offers a suite of financial products including funding, spot cryptocurrency exchanging, and liquidity services. If you are a trader and looking to get funded, then Trader Central should be your #1 choice. In the pinned comment below, it is a link to their Telegram channel where you can ask any questions that you may need to know in regards to their services that they do offer.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters.